Hello, this is Stefano with Stefano's Espresso Care, and a video that shockingly in all these years I never done. It is how to replace a Grouphead gasket on a Starbucks Barista, Starbucks Via Venezia and similar machine that use the pressurized portafilter and locking ring and this style of two-step gasket that I'm about to show you. Okay, first step, you remove the shower screen. You can use a little stubby Phillips, or you can use our fancy, smancy new tool, which it doubles, and the purpose of the tool was so you can remove the mushroom valve. This is not necessary to get to the gasket. It's just showing you also how this part can be done. Inside here there is a spring and the mushroom valve. For the time being, we just leave it there. If you have to remove entirely the boiler assembly from the frame and the machine, then of course you have a much better access to the Grouphead gasket. When you are not, the best way to do it is to just grab it. Of course, an old one will break, just like this one is about to. Pull it out, clean all the area with a Grouphead brush or anything that you can clean. To reinsert a new gasket, let's assume this is a brand new one. What I normally like to do is to put a little food grade grease on the upper area, just like so, not in the bottom area, where the portafilter will eventually contact, and basically push your way in. Using a stubby screwdriver, it will actually help you do the job, and in fact even the same tool, can be used. No, that one not, just a stubby screwdriver. Just push your way in, back into the groove, just like so. The Grouphead gasket is reinserted. Retight the mushroom valve, reinsert the shower screen, and the work is done. Thank you for watching.